In this video, we're going to learn how to change the display properties of HTML elements. First, we're going to use the same source code as in the div and span file. And now let's try to make the Facebook div hidden. So if we want to hide the Facebook div, and also we want to preserve the space that Facebook is taking now, we're going to use the visibility property. So the syntax is easy, visibility is set to hidden. And now we see that Facebook now is hidden, but it's still preserving the space it was taking up before. Okay, so now if we get rid of the visibility property and we want to try something else, we want to try to hide Facebook, and also we don't want Facebook to take any space anymore. So this time we're going to use the display property and we're going to set it to none. So now you can see that Facebook doesn't show up, and also it doesn't take any space on the web page, and all the other elements in the flow of the page are behaving as if Facebook doesn't exist anymore. Okay, so another thing that we use the display property for is to change the way inline elements are displayed. So if we want an inline element to be displayed as if it was a block element, we use the display property. So the way to do that, so for instance, if we want to change this span, so if we want it to be displayed as a block element, so we're going to use the display property and we set display to block. So now this span is displayed as a block element, but it's still an inline element. So which means that it's not allowed to have other block elements inside of it. It's still an inline element, but it's just displayed as a block element for now. And we can do the same thing for block elements to transform them to or display them as inline elements.